I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a transaction on the Amex app, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Open the Amex app. Launch the American Express app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Find the transaction. Navigate to the Transactions section in the app. Scroll through your recent transactions to locate the one you want to dispute. Step 3. Select the transaction. Tap on the specific transaction you wish to dispute. This will open up the transaction details, where you can view more information. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Look for the dispute option within the transaction details. Follow the prompts to explain the reason for your dispute, such as unauthorized charges or incorrect amounts. Step 5. Submit your dispute. After filling out the necessary information, review your dispute details and submit it. You should receive a confirmation notification once your dispute is filed. Remember, if you accidentally dispute the wrong transaction, you might need to contact customer service directly to resolve it. Good luck with your dispute, and I hope this helps you navigate the app with ease.